Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training you will learn about how selling on Amazon works. Here is how selling on Amazon works. Decide what you want to sell. Choose one of the selling plans that Amazon offers. Register, set up your account. List your products so customers can see your products on Amazon. Set the price for each product. Customers place orders. Amazon lets you know by email when an order has been placed by a customer. You deliver your item to the customer or let Amazon ship products to the customers, depending on whether you have chosen fulfillment by Amazon feature. Amazon deposits payment into your bank account.